Hi folks, welcome to the Richard Cheney channel. I'm Richard Cheney. How are you doing? How's your family doing? Hope you and your family's doing well. Me and my family's doing pretty good. Not enjoying the weather. We still got the flash flooding going on and don't like that at all. Supposed to rain for 2 or 3 days and not looking forward to it. If you have any suggestions on what CD, DVD, LP, record, or cassette you want to see, leave down in the comments and I'll show you those items. And at the end of the month, I'll show you more new items, but that will be at the end of the month, plus all of the items I got to show around here. I'm going to start making the collections, bigger size collections. I've been doing them in parts, but I'm wanting to do it in bigger size collections. So we'll see how that goes. But in the meantime, I've got something to show you. Matter of fact, now have you guys heard of this movie, The Toy, with Richard Pryor and Jackie Gleason? This is a hilarious movie. Hilarious. The Toy, Jackie Gleason and Richard Pryor. I got that movie for Christmas about 2 or 3 years ago, and it's a good movie. It's a good one. I recommend you to go to your local store and pick it up. It's called The Toy. I recommend you to get that movie. I recommend it. It's a good one. If you like comedy movies, it's a good one. But in the meantime, I'm thinking up some ideas for more collections. Like I said, I'm going to be making them a little bit bigger. So the way I'm going to do it is I'm going to make them bigger and more stuff for you to see. But in the way to do that is I'm going to have to go through some more stuff, get it lined out, get it ready to go for you to see. But in the meantime, always remember to always like, favorite, subscribe if you're new to the channel. And I'll see you on the next video. Bye for now.